This is actually a picture of Makiki Valley about the early 1900s, and you can see how it's totally denuded. And even the foresters back then realized they needed to save the watershed. Now the watershed actually refers to our whole mountain, the Ko'olaus and the Waianae, but mostly the Ko'olaus, because the watershed is where our water source is stored. So without the trees, the water would just run off and go into the ocean. So that's why even back then the foresters said, hey, we got to plant trees so that the rain can recharge the watershed. So back then they started to plant trees that would grow fast. You would think they plant natives, but native trees grow extremely slow. So they would plant fast-growing trees like pine, eucalyptus, fiddlewood, African tulip. They grew fast, held the soil, but unfortunately, reforestation plants, not only do they go quickly, but they also take over parts of the forest, start to take over park areas, so that's why we utilize volunteers to help us eradicate these plants and to help keep the area looking as natural as possible without having all the invasives taking over.